The Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought.
And isn't that the truth? When you get the Bitcoin pump, you wish you bought more. Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day we talk about this Bitcoin crypto news, technical analysis. You hit the like and subscribe. How's everybody doing this morning? Monday, President's Day. Well, we got the government. They get to tell us when we're off, right? We get to celebrate the holidays. Some of us are working overtime. Some of us are not off. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Chief. And good morning, Sean. Thank you, Chief, for the comment. I do appreciate the love. It is much needed as of late. Do have to be seriously honest. Does anyone remember the video? Good morning, Emerald. Just a month ago, right? It was January 1st, 2022. Can everyone just sit back for 2 seconds and watch this guy? Because not a fucking single person talked about this, and every YouTuber has 20,000 subscribers, but yet they don't have proof of this. Rally. I'm just saying, ladies and gentlemen, with ultimately finding out that the Bitcoin bottom that was in the red the previous year of the 2017 never touched the bottom of 3,100 again the next year. So just a little bit to put inside your brain here, just a little bit to pay attention to. Take it with a grain of salt, I will. We have never seen it go through a recession. We've never seen, obviously, 4 quarters in the red for the NASDAQ as well. So put that into a little bit of consideration, but here is the new candle. And as we pay attention to it, like I said, if this chart is correct, 15,520 is the bottom. And from our previous 4-year cycles, right, we have found out that we said, what? Well, we found out that the bottom here is going to show that we've never touched or fell through there, and that was the bottom the previous red year before. So pretty excited to see that. Like I said, put that with a grain of salt. And that, ladies and gentlemen, you could have watched that 1 month ago, and that is what I'm trying to tell people. If this Bitcoin chart, you can go watch it for yourself, it's only got 100 views, follows history, 15.5, this is the bottom. And I was trying to tell people, you know, at that point in time, I really didn't expect, and if you see that chart, it's very, very mind-blowing. So while you hit the like and subscribe today, things we're looking at, Filecoin. Filecoin has made a nice move, right? If anyone has watched the videos, I did say if 620 breaks through, as you can see from the previous resistance price, we will get a significant growth in Filecoin. Here is the top of it right here, looking for $10.20. Perhaps I'll be paying attention to exactly at $10. But is people over at China buying? I don't know, because Filecoin price prediction as File pumps up 70% in 7 days. Is China buying? So it's a really good question. I wonder if they are buying. Lending decentralized storage protocol Filecoin undertook a magnificent 75% rally over the weekend. It's a pretty big rally. So keeping you up to date with some of the news this morning, just letting you know what's going on, and do hope that one day we do get a lot of subscribers based off things of this nature, as it is amazing to give you things of that. Bitcoin halving clock. We're at 407 days, 5 hours and 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Speaking of being at the bottom, right? As many of you just watched that video from a month ago, as I predicted that 15.5 was the bottom. Not many people are paying attention, hitting the like button for it. Maybe you guys like the channel so much, I started thinking about it. I had a dream about this. Maybe they don't hit the like button, and I'm dreaming about YouTube while I'm sleeping. This is crazy. Maybe they don't hit the like button because they want to keep Wall Street Pete all to themselves. I don't know. You hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. Let's get it. Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. We're talking about the halving. Talking about the crypto bubble, right? We do that. CFX seems to be kicking ass. 481%. Oh, man. Stix, STX killing it. Matic, 27%. And this is for the past week. So pretty insane. Get to the daily. Then we see CFX killing it at 71, almost 72%. Then let's get to the top 200. Usually Flocka's in there. But Flocka is down right now. So there you go, 12% down. I did start buying some Flocka. Why? Well, because it's down. So buy the dip, have a sip. This looks like an altcoin type of opportunity. We won't have Flocka in there as advice. This is not financial advice, but pay attention to this chart. This is really going to blow your mind. And if you like the Wall Street Pete show, you're really, really going to like this. Pay attention, definitely to mention. We are currently right here, right? The date is February 2nd, 2023, and this is the Bitcoin calculator. Prediction in price of what we're going to do. And if you see in the green line here, we do have the price at the end of the day as we're predicted. Look at this as we go. As we go into April, 45,300. Yeah, okay. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but this is the calculator for the Bitcoin price. Buy Bitcoin worldwide.com. Stats, cycle, and repeat. This is the Bitcoin cycle showing that after having top at 69 almost thousand. As you can see here, we're really coming in, and it shows the MAC moving average of 200. Then we have the 458-day moving average, and as you can see, the price at the end of the day. So I find this very, very fascinating. The price has us right up here at 77,000. 81,000, excuse me, right at this point in time. So I'd really like to see what that's all about. What day is that on? 81,000, May 24 of this year. Could you imagine 81,000 Bitcoin? I think everybody would be losing their shiznick. So currently right now, let's get to the real updated time frame. 1.13 total crypto market cap trillion-wise. Pretty interesting. It's holding pretty nicely. So I actually like this right now. 24,800 Bitcoin, 1,700 just above in the Ethereum price. And as you know, the rest of the assets are holding pretty strong. So we're paying attention to what is happening from the chart perspective. I want people to pay attention and definitely understand what we're looking at. There are some zones that we have to pay closely attention to here. And I want to see what this oscillator is doing exactly. Oscillator has ticked a little bullish. And as you can see here, we did hit our outside oversold zone. So this is a pretty good spot. I do like the oversold spot here that we are at. Pretty nice. This could be a good opportunity for us to sink our teeth in. Now, what's going to happen is we do have a obvious 25,000 resistance price that is a nightmare. So we do have to finish, as you can see here from this, what is it, the daily? Let's get to the 4-weekly real quick. If you can pay attention to the 4-weekly right now, as you can see, the 4-weekly is ticking bullish. 2 on the bottom here. We're going to have a pattern that we need to break here. Please hit the like and subscribe. You're not going to miss nothing. There's a few little holes here, a few little concerns that we need to pay attention to closely. As you can see from right about there, this price, very important to pay close attention to, 24,300. So we must pay close attention to that once we do find ourselves on a 4-hourly or a daily. So you want to pay close attention to the 4-hourly. It's more important. $25,136, 137. If we can finish a break above this right here on this pattern, which is 25,148 here, we will be in pretty good shape. I do expect Bitcoin to explode. 26.4 would be the next price, ultimately finishing and hitting most likely the 28,000 Bitcoin price. So just trying to give people an understanding of where I think we're going to go, how I think it's going to happen. Filecoin looks pretty good. Flocka, let's see where Flocka's at, because I have a position in right now in Flocka, and I'm wondering how we're doing. And currently right now, 4-hourly. Oh, we're getting a nice little bounce. Cool. I do have some leverage, 20 times leverage. I longed right at about the 4,500, a little below, almost 44, and we're actually coming up nicely, as you can see here. Looking at the 4-hourly, we're getting a little tick to the upside, see if it holds. It might go down a little more. I do expect that. So we'll see what happens. A lot of people made a lot of money. Look at that bounce off this pattern breakout here. I was doing a symmetrical pattern, so I do expect probably another fall if I were to really pay attention to what Flocka is doing, because a lot of people don't realize that the volatility and the chances here. 50% pullback probably take you all the way to the, it did. It only went to the 42.5. Whoo! So this could be a pretty good buy, not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. But Flocka looking pretty strong while everything else is fighting to get above and out of that pattern. So if you pay attention to the pattern for Bitcoin, please hit the like and subscribe. Comment what you think could be happening next, but we do have some prices here we must pay close attention to. So 23.1, that's a very big important price. When I draw my line in the sand for the Bitcoin price, where would I bring it? I'd probably say if we start breaking through to there, this would be where I would say no more. We cannot fall any more than this price. What is that? That is 22.3. So I'm going to pay close attention to this. These are the big numbers. These are the big waves that Bitcoin can do. If we start falling and breaking out of this pattern, my friends, we could be coming all the way down to here, but this would be the dramatic possible move if we did that. Now, I'm not saying that is actually happening. We're looking pretty strong right now. We could probably just break right out through here and get into there immediately. It's Monday, breaking into the middle of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You know how that works. So Jasmy and Biconomy, we talked about those two yesterday being big breakout assets. If you pay attention to them before we go, building some type of bullish flag here for Biconomy, so don't get upset if don't buy the top. Of course, I wasn't saying we're going to break out right now. A lot of people do realize that I do realize that a lot of people do that. That does happen, and you have to pay attention to what's going on here. People are taking profits. People are not stupid, and there is a pattern that is developing here. We will see if we break to the upside here. Obviously, if you see here, we must finish, and that's the old one right there. Resistance support flip on Biconomy is 47.63. So if Biconomy can somehow bounce, and I said if you went and checked to the community chat, for Wolves of Wall Street, go to the community. I showed a chart for Biconomy because I felt bad because people started probably buying and lost some money and they get upset. I feel really bad. I want people to do that. I want you to buy on the downside of this, and that's what this time and opportunity gives you. Well, you got to pay attention to what is the opportunity level because we're already pretty high. You don't buy up here. So we're looking to see maybe perhaps we do come down. If we do, 42 cents and a half is a big price, but I did say, as I was alluding to last night, I said 45 and a half cents is a buyback that I'm looking to do. I told a lot of people that, and that's exactly what we did. We came all the way down to about 45 and a half, and then I hit my order fill. I'm speaking backwards like Yoda. Where is Yoda? Is he back there? Let me grab that guy. My order filled 45 and a half cents for Biconomy. And then speaking of Jasmy Gary, real quick before we go, and new thing we're going to do starting this Sunday. So I know we didn't do it last night, and it took us 30 likes. We needed 30 likes last night. So I want people to understand we're not hitting the like button enough. We needed 30 likes for me to come live. And if I had the 30 likes, I would have went live and we would have done your asset only. So that's what we're going to do from now on for Sunday. So if you do like that, let's go. What's up, Sean? I appreciate the comment. Here we are with Jasmy. Hope you're comfortable with this and happy to see. But if you see right now, creating new higher lows, new lower highs right here are big deals. I always say it the other way. That's why we have Yoda in the back there. So many different acronyms, so many different sayings, so many different technical analysis, and so many indicators and things that drives you crazy. So looking at the bottom of the oscillator, right? Look at this, stochastic ATR volatility oscillator. That's what this is called on the bottom. If anyone is interested or wants to get it off TradingView, it's free. 4 hourly. Tell me I'm going to get a move to the upside hopefully soon. But what I'm doing is creating this big price movement action roller coaster ride. I tell you, in the upward trajectory is very good. That's how we can get the breakout for parabolic movement. But if we do take out some volume, this could get a big shatter to the downside. So what we're going to pay attention to is that currently, do we get the big fall? Well, this is it right here, 75.80. If we're going to pay close attention to this price, 75.80 for the Jasmy price is very, very important. Now, if you want to hear more about your asset, you want to hear more about your token in the long run, well, we're going to have Sundays at 7 o'clock Eastern time. Your asset, your money, our talk, our strategy, what are we going to do? And we talk about where we think the price is heading. Currently right now, if you do pay attention, let's see, we got the daily. Daily looking pretty bullish, did not fall completely down. Do expect some retracement to retest back to this support level. If we do so, there could be a head and shoulders pattern bringing us down a little further. So it's very important to hold that price at the 7,000 level. We should see a breakout above here, hopefully today, 10:37. So we got 10 hours and a half currently right now until 7 o'clock Eastern time. It'll be nighttime, 7 p.m. And if you're interested in that sort of thing, we may come live actually tonight now. We're not going to base it off live likes. We're going to base it off where we're going. Is Bitcoin moving and grooving? Will it finish above the 25,000 today, or will it take till Wednesday? We'll see what happens. But things are looking rather bullish right now. I'm pretty excited. I'm not a financial advisor, just a gentleman who wears the visor, and I want people to know that we used to work on Wall Street and we're enjoying the TA. So let's pay attention to what's going on. We're ending the show now. I hope many of you paid attention here. What could be possibly happening? We do have a 79.80, almost an 8,000 clutch at the top. So if we do obviously start breaking above all the way to the old high, which is 83.75, you will then show me a new buy, and then we will be off to the races of prices we spoke about in yesterday's video. So Wall Street P, Sigdo, and crypto. This does conclude the video. I hope you enjoy. Aptos is a good one. I see it pretty cheap right now. I think it's around $14, $15. And we have Gary. Now, Gary, VRA, I'm so busy right now. I really wish I could. Does anybody want to elaborate on that? Please feel, whatever you want to say about that, if you want to help me out with VRA. But no, I have not looked at VRA. I do apologize on that. I've been so freaking busy. I've not been able to even look and see what VRA is. But pay attention to what we talk about on the crypto price levels. It's very important. Appreciate everything you do. Wall Street P, Signo, and crypto. See you to the next video. Hopefully you do one tonight. Good morning, Stephen. Yes, smash that like button, please. We want to have as many likes as we can to get this algorithm through the roof. A lot of the other YouTube channels are winning, and we're losing, but we'll never really lose. Let's be real. As long as we got each other, we're chilling. So let's go. Sigdo in crypto. We're going to have a good day. I wish I could sing or scream or do some type of little lyric here for you, but my throat is a little raspy this morning. So hope you all have a wonderful week. It's Monday. Don't have the Monday blues. Start off with a good positive week. Love you all. Peace in and peace out. Till the next video, my friends.